Okay, write down. She. चलो. You have to fill in the blanks with appropriate tense. Wait, Akshima, wait. Let me write the sentences, then start giving the answers. Okay, Akshima, Raghav, wait. Okay, I got the answers also. Done. Next time now I'm going to dictate. I keep on writing and you just finish. तुम्हारी स्पीड तो मुझसे भी ज्यादा हो जाती है. Anmol is still writing. Paramjeet, Shreya, hurry up. Okay, so I got the answers here. Jayant has given the answers. Done. Chalo, let's start. When I opened my eyes, I dash a strange animal. So, every morning she dash up. Sure? Why? The head, no, it's correct. First thing every morning, right? Second, check the second verb. Okay. Next. The headmaster dashed, wants to talk to you, wanted to talk. I think anything can come because nothing is mentioned here. Wants to talk to you. We dash Greece next month. Wait, let me see their answer also. Okay. That's all. Will visit. I have one more answer here. Will be visiting. What do you think? They are giving answers. Just wait. Will visit. Okay, you are saying will visit. Let me see their answer. Will be visiting. See. You can also write we are visiting, we will visit, because it is already planned. So we can use continuous form also, present continuous. Okay, we are visiting, we will visit, we will be visiting, still it is okay. So, will plus first form of the verb, visit, I don't have space. Okay, and then you can write are visiting. She dash a novel. Is writing a novel, has written a novel, writes, right? She wrote, that is also correct. So she has written. I dash English for 12 years. Yes, Avni. Will have been teaching. Has been teaching. I have been. Have been teaching. No. Have been teaching for 12 years. Next is the train dash before. Sure? Will have been. Okay, will have been. The train will have been left before you reach there. The train will have been. नहीं, reach present tense. The train will have, sorry, not been, the train will have left. I dash was reading when the postman knocked. I dashed for Delhi yesterday. He, and last is Ishani dash a newspaper. Reads. No, Akshima, don't write in future. Yes, Anvay. and that is very simple. Tell me the structure, please. One by one, just stand up and tell me the structure. How to write sentence in a simple present tense? How to write a sentence in a simple present tense? Simple present tense. Chalo Gurkaran, start. Subject plus okay, object. Okay, sometimes there is not object. If object is also correct, means subject plus first form of the verb and then rest of the sentence, right? That's it. Okay, let me write the structures, and then in case you find that okay, this structure is not correct, then we'll correct it later. Okay, done. First, second, present continuous. Present continuous. Okay, let's start with Gurnoor. Subject plus is first form plus ing and then rest of the sentence. Next, perfect tense. Bani. Subject. It has next. आप बताओ. Present, perfect, continuous. Yes, Shreya. Has, have, plus being. First form plus ing because it is. Okay, whenever there is continuous tense, you have to use ing form. Got it? Chalo, Hardik, example. First example. Now you have to give me the example. I read a book. Okay. Any other? I am washing. Pulkit. Simple present. I wash car. Shreya. I go to school. She reads the newspaper daily. Riya dances very well. Now, I eat, not eats. Okay, so if you are saying Riya dances, chalo, Riya dances very well. Change it into negative. Riya dances very well. Now you have to change it into negative and interrogative. Very well. Is it correct? What is the mistake? Yes, whenever we use who, does, did, always use first form of the verb. Okay, so in this case, does Riya dance very well? Does Riya dance very well? Okay, not dances. Okay. and Ria does not dance very well. Change this sentence into continuous. Present continuous. Ria is dancing very well. Change it into interrogative. Change it into present perfect continuous.
Ria is dancing very well.
Ria has been dancing very well. Change it into interrogative. Has Ria been dancing very well? Done? Okay. Simple. Simple past. Simple, wait. Simple past. Plus object or whatever, right? Sometimes there are complements also, na? What are complements? तारीफ? नहीं. तारीफ. That is compliment that we give to each other, ना? वो I वाला होता है compliment. It's E, COMPLE. अच्छा, in case sentence so whatever the sentence is, and I ask you to find out the complement. It's kind of actually, हाँ. चलो 6. Past. Was, were plus second form. Whenever ing means first form. हाँ, चाहे past. This shows the past, ना? Is, see here is MR, was, were. Next. Past perfect. Had plus. Sure. And last. Subject. Been. Continuous. Hardik, form a sentence in this. And get ready for the next exercise. Be quick. Sham. बस. चलो. Now write down the sentences. First, I dash in model town. I dash in model town. If it is visible from here, I'll write here. हाँ, got it? चलो दो 5 आंसर्स होंगे and category is only one, first category. Yes, Jevan. Done? 5 simple sentences. Can you tell me the tenses of all these sentences? All in simple present. Chalo. I dash in Wall Town. Live? Live or lives? Live. I live in Model Town. They dash football every day. Play? Not plays. That is correct, na? It's play. Whenever we have plural verb, plural subject, it means we don't add s, okay, to the verb. Hardik, dash it, dash outside now. Is it now? They dash Kanpur tomorrow. Will live, are living, right? Are living. Huh? It can also come. Next. Where? This is, I think, very simple and straight. Whenever such type of question is there, where have you lost your purse? Change this into assertive sentence. Make it assertive. Obviously, this word will be skipped after that. You have lost your purse. ठीक है? Arey, I am not asking you to change it into passive voice. That's good idea. है ना? Which one? हाँ, fifth हाँ. कैसे आ गया has? अरे, sometimes there are two types of questions ना. One is that can be answered in yes or no. तब हम use करते हैं helping verb सबसे पहले. ठीक है? कई क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट होते हैं WH से, तो both are correct. Got it? If you write have you lost your purse? अच्छा, change this sentence into declarative, simple declarative. It is raining outside. Question. Do they play football every day? Hardik, ये वाला change कर. Imagine here it is written he lives, interrogative. Nobody will say anything. Does he? Yes. Does he live in Waltown? Pulkit. Interrogative. Are they? Tomorrow. Don't you need to change this tomorrow to the next day? Why? Are we doing narration? Then इतनी जल्दी कंफ्यूज मत हो जाया करो. Okay? Okay, so done. Gurkaran, mask. Chalo, make a sentence on this. Yes, very good. Gurkaran does not wear mask. So which tense is this? Simple present. Sure? Ask him why in simple present. Simple present. I said simple present. Okay, those who are online, you have to ask Gurkaran the question कि वो mask क्यों नहीं पहन रहा, ठीक है? So ask this question in simple present tense. Why? Why does Punyan? Okay. Ask Javan simple present. Why don't you wear the mask? Yes, why don't you wear a mask or why don't you wear the mask? Got it? If it is simple present, then you have to be very much focused. And whenever you frame questions, keep this thing in your mind. Question word, verb, then comes the subject. Okay? Interrogative sentences, verb, then subject. Clear? Chalo, that's all. No, Javan. See, if you are using are, why aren't, then you have to use wearing. तो वो फिर continuous में हो जाएगा. Got it?